Calumny.
Calumny mean defamation, aspersion, accusation, libel.
Opposite meanings are commendation, praise, vindication, goodwill.
Callous.
Callous mean obdurate, unfeeling, heartless, indifferent.
Opposite meanings are compassionate, tender, kind, sympathetic.
Calculate.
Calculate mean enumerate, estimate, evaluate, consider.
Opposite meanings are miscalculate, blunder, predetermine, misconceive.
Calamity.
Calamity mean adversity, misfortune, misery, mishap.
Opposite meanings are happiness, benefit, prosperity, fortune.
Cavity.
Cavity mean depth, depression, hole, aperture.
Opposite meanings are elevation, projection, mound, height.
Cease.
Cease mean terminate, pause, desist, discontinue.
Opposite meanings are commence, continue, initiate, originate.
Circumlocution.
Circumlocution mean redundancy, verbosity, tediousness, verbiage.
Opposite meanings are terseness, compression, directness, brevity.
Commotion.
Commotion mean turmoil, disturbance, agitation, excitement.
Opposite meanings are tranquility, stillness, quietness, calm.
Disaster.
Disaster mean misfortune, calamity, mishap, catastrophe.
Opposite meanings are prosperity, boon, happiness, auspicious.
Despicable.
Despicable mean contemptible, worthless, shameless, base.
Opposite meanings are worthy, decent, honorable, respectable.
Disdain.
Disdain mean detest, despise, loathe, scorn.
Opposite meanings are approve, praise, love, laud.
Deride.
Deride mean mock, taunt, ridicule, jeer.
Opposite meanings are inspire, encourage, stimulate, comfort.
Deprive.
Deprive mean despoil, divest, dispossess, disinherit.
Opposite meanings are restore, renew, invest, endow.
Deplore.
Deplore mean lament, bemoan, complain, regret.
Opposite meanings are rejoice, cheer, applaud, celebrate.
Denounce.
Denounce mean indict, condemn, censure, reprimand.
Opposite meanings are praise, commend, vindicate, laud.
Demolish.
Demolish mean ruin, devastate, dismantle, raze.
Opposite meanings are repair, construct, create, erect.
Delusion.
Delusion mean deception, hallucination, illusion, fallacy.
Opposite meanings are reality, certainty, veracity, fact.
Delicious.
Delicious mean palatable, tasteful, appetizing, dainty.
Opposite meanings are distasteful, unsavory, tolerable, inedible.
Deliberate.
Deliberate mean ponder, intentional, mediate, consider.
Opposite meanings are rash, sudden, indifferent, discard.
Degradation.
Degradation mean disagree, dishonor, humiliation, debase.
Opposite meanings are exaltation, praise, triumphant, honor.